tenderloin with Brussels sprouts and roasty potatoes. And Brother Mark has a New York strip. Well, after spring-like conditions last weekend, the snows have come back. With the ATV covered, the quad, well, it's not easy to keep a tarp on. 80-kilometer gust winds. Get it out and give it a spin to the backfield today.
There's a lot of that's leaving and going a lot of different directions, but we're going to do some scouting today. And
oh, we got a blizzard. It is cold and oh, blizzard-like conditions. On the ATV, just taking it out for a spin. Woo! Crazy. Turned around here, I'll be okay. Just don't want to get stuck in a drift. Wow. It spins a lot more than I thought it would with a four-wheel drive on or all-wheel drive. I can't get it to the back field or to the back trail. It's just the hills are too high for the drifting. So it's my first real good run of it. It's only got 363 hours on it. I don't think that's very much for a 10-year-old vehicle, but for military use. Whew. Doggy. That is one cold day. I don't know, the wind chills are -8, but it sure feels a lot more than that, Hamish. Okay. Oh, there's park. Woo! That was fun. I'm not sure the fastest. I guess well, I've been in the truck, but yeah, it was fun. It was a little different. I thought the traction might be a little better, but we'll have to practice. Mr. Hamish is looking to bury that bone somewhere. He's looking around to see who's watching him. It's okay, Hamish. I'm not watching you. You can bury that bone in that snowdrift. He's got them all over the property here. He dug one out last weekend. Where are you going now, Hamish? You gotta go over there somewhere. Dogging his bone. I'm gonna watch that the snowblower doesn't catch that. Turn it into a million shards, and then it's a mess. Yeah, he's watching. He's slowly, casually walking over. He's watching to see who's gonna watch him. There he goes. Got a little ditch there. There he goes. There he goes. Hides behind the silo there. There he goes. He's digging it up. Not good enough there. He's digging. And he moves the snow back with the snout. That's pretty funny. Nice and secure. Covered over. All done. That's a happy dog. He's got his bone buried. Well, I've set up the bird feeder. You can see it there. Oh, she's lower. I'm looking higher. There she is there. Not much on the trail cam. What a spectacular day. We had weather over the weekend. Crazy weather. Freezing rain, snow, sleet. And it's still on these trees. It's actually just starting to burn off today. So, we're going to go to the back end. The other end of this trail system is the last field. Well, second last, I guess. There's still one that goes down towards the river, the dam. So we're going to go back there. I got some interesting birds on the way up. I should have filmed it on this. Redpolls. There was a small flock of them. What a pretty little finch. I got some pictures. I'll try and post them in the video. First thing is to get a picture and post it on eBird. But I'm going to start filming more of the birds. What a nice day to take this in here. You can see the ice there on the trees. Is quite pretty. So I'll make our way back to the last field, or second last field. This is where we think there might have been an outbuilding or a farmhouse. You can see the stone. It looks like my uncle would have farmed around this. It may have even had trees, and it looks like Anthony, our farmer, our main guy, took a lot of trees out of here, did some work. You can see the trees down there in the woods. But this was definitely some kind of outbuilding or main house. It would make sense. It'd be sitting up here. The back end of our property. That's where I got some of those rounds, the paper birch rounds in that corner. Gosh, that doesn't seem long ago, but that was back, I think, in November. Late October, November. So, make our way back to the farmhouse. I think I started about an hour and a half ago on my walk, and we'll slowly make it back. It was a good day because it's mild and there's no wind for walking, so I need it. And this there was soybean, a pathetic soybean I filmed last fall. They've had good production yields for the 3 years that it's been in the rotation. But I could get my pickup truck through here and my quad along the back roads into this end of the farm fairly easily, I think. I may do that. Get Hamish some exercise, let him run here. It's a quick way to get up and back, but I like to get the exercise too. So, yeah, Hamish is exactly where I took those rounds. In the back laneway, with Hamish, we're going down to the dam. And there it is, straight ahead. You don't often see it here because it's covered over. It's a pretty big body of water. We're going to go up. Oh, we're just going to go over to the dam. Haven't been there for a few weeks. We'll take a look at it. Okay, we've made it to the dam on this rainy spring-like day in January. You can see the dam is frozen over, but it is melting. I don't think it froze for a lot of years, but it has been freezing in the last 3 years that I've been here, and that's really important to clean everything out of it. I'll walk over here to the spillway, and it is running red. That's the red soil here, just like the Nile. Hamish is getting a good look. You're getting some good smells. Don't you even think about that, Hamish. And this spillway was built in 1977. The original dam washed out and took the bridge out. So they built this and a fish ladder. Hamish, don't go too far. Don't you get in that water. You stay out of it. I better go after him. Make sure that he's not doing anything too crazy. So, very unusual weather for this time of year, in this part of the world. But you take it as it comes. And another week is come and gone at the Campbellwoods. So we'll sign off. Wishing everybody a good week ahead. We'll be talking to you later. Over and out. Who's the wet, handsome dog? Good dog, Hamish. Well, this is the best place to be. In front of a wood stove. On a wet, damp January day. This is like April weather. What do you think, Hamish? Hey, you know where to sit. You're a good gun dog. Yeah. Good dog.